I'm sorry, good afternoon. Get better with me. Oh no. Hi Alicia, good morning. I'm sorry, good afternoon. Yeah, sorry. My account number is California. I really don't memorize my phone number. Hold on a sec. Actually, I called yesterday and I was forwarded to Audio of America, and I tried to call Audio of America today and I was forwarded to Financial Services again. They actually have the return paperwork available. Take your time. Does the odometer automatically dispute the charge, or we weren't able to connect with the team before, just in case I might call next week. All right, of course. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you.
I don't know if he also read.
I just got off from work and it's 9:25 a.m. in the morning and I have to take a bath kasi may mga errands ako today. Mag-open kasi kami ng bank account. Probably kailangan ko pumunta sa attorney later. So, I got all my paraphernalias. Kaya nasa lagayan to is because I travel a lot. I mean, not traveling for leisure, but I have to move around. Uwi ako ng Quezon, uwi ako ng Cavite, punta ako ng Manila. So, I usually just put everything here. So, para wala akong makakalimutan. Emulsify like this. Okay, so it's skincare time. So I normally have two easy steps. So first is toner. Kapag meron akong active pimples, like may mga bukas na something dyan sa mukha ko, naglalagay ako ng pimple patch. And I use Posh. If you guys are familiar, this. Pero hindi ako gumagamit ng may mga flower or may mga star. Ayun, gusto ko yung clear lang. Mga anik-anik. Again, first is the toner, which again, this is my second bottle, Cetaphil. So you just at least include your neck. Next is my Pond's serum. And yeah, that's it. Yun lang yung skincare routine ko. Cetaphil toner and then Pond's serum. So I'm just putting everything back here. So just in case na kailangan ko ulit umalis, it's just here. Kuha ko lang. So it's the favorite part of the day. Get ready with me. Parang I can't live without lashes na po. I think there's nothing wrong and harmful din naman kapag nag-aayos ka. So you can be contented but at the same time, ayos ka pa rin, because it's the kikai spirit in you. And hindi ko na siya maaalis sa sarili ko. Okay, time check. It's 10:23. Tagal ko na nag-aayos. Grabe. Favorite pang kilay, strokes. So, also, one thing about me is that whenever na may ma-discover akong magandang product, for example, this one, Get Ready With Me na foundation, hindi talaga ako nagpapalit. Like, ito yata yung first foundation ko na makakaubos ako. Siguro kasi parang wala sa budget ko na bumili ng bagong makeup kapag alam kong hindi pa naubos yung alam ko namang gusto ko. So, it's not just with makeup, but also with clothes, with shoes. I don't overconsume. Pero, sasabi kong gustador pa rin ako. Guess ba? Ang mga sumpa. No, that's not sumpa. It's just hard work. Hard Lord. Hindi ka gaganon. Just so you know, hindi po ako talaga ma-pimples before. Nag-start lang siya nung nag-work na ako. And then, mas dumami siya nung naging night shift na. Parang na-hype to sa TikTok. And I could really say that it's worth the hype. Like this. She grabbed to the setting spray. Alright, so I'm just preparing all of the things that I need to bring. All the IDs, all the documents that we need, and wallet, of course, na walang laman. Put it in my go-to bag. I bought this department store and siguro around 400 pesos siya. Not expensive, but it's not cheap either. Pero gamit na gamit ko to, sis, kasi nga malakasan to. Ang laki niya, no? So, kapag may mga ganitong errands, itong bag na to ang tinadala ko para isahan lang. Okay. Okay, so just my Mera. Tapos maka-Bridgerton, kaya bet na bet ko yan. Then just this baggy pants. Ukay-ukay for like 180 pesos. And this top, I think, for like 90 pesos. And then just some accessories that I bought from TikTok as well. Gift somewhere. Para walang tunay dyan. So, hi! Welcome to my home. Let's go have some lunch. Ang pogi mo ba? Bigat ba ka? Bakit? Hindi na ako love? Why? Love mo dapat ako. Ang puti ni bakla. Yan ah. What do you want? Thank you sa surprise.
Dito sa surprise.
Sabi mo kasi SM.
Wala akong sinabi.
Yum yum.
Ako nung kasi mainit.
May hold upper po.
Di? Sira yung kutis ko eh. No? Di? What do you think?
Yes.
Mag-jacket ako?
Yes. Pero wag ka na magpalit ng damit. That's the way, I like it. Uy, bawal yun.
Mag-ML tayo, Di?
Hello po.
Ma'am GC po?
Yes po.
Kampalak ma'am, no?
Apo. Sa land bank po.
Okay.
Ayun.